Hello everybody, today I will be doing a quick unboxing video. I got these two packages today. I do know what's inside, but I thought it'd be fun if I unbox them for you since I haven't had a book haul in a while and I probably won't for a while. Let's start with the smaller one. And inside we have a beautiful edition. Oh, that's not the first one. And first we have the beautiful The Return of the King in this lovely, lovely edition. It's so pretty and it's shiny. It's so much prettier than I thought it would be. So this gives away what's in the other two packages. So I'm sure you probably can guess what's in this one. I can open it. Oh, it's got a pull tab. And we have the Fellowship of the Ring and the Two Towers, all by J.R.R. Tolkien. And these editions were published by Mariner. I don't know, but aren't they pretty? There's Elvish on the fronts. I don't know what it says. I like these editions a lot. I was debating between these ones or the leather bound ones, and I decided this font was probably bigger. And I mean, it's still not too large, but it's not that small. And they're floppy. For now, I plan on reading these once a month, and if you saw my TBR video for June, you know I plan on reading The Fellowship this month, and I still hope to do that now that I have the pretty edition. That's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and I will see you in another video soon. Goodbye!